Let us look at this example. We have given that this sample of data 2, 3, 5 and 6, and we are asked to find the mean, mode, median and range. Now let us calculate mean. As you know, mean means average, yeah? So to calculate mean, we simply add the given data and divide by the number of values, yeah? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. We add them together. This is the same as 16. And how many number of values do we have? 4, yeah? Which means it is 4. The second one is that calculating the mode. Mode means the most frequented value, yeah? The most frequented value. So this sample of data has no mode, no modal, because no mode for this sample of data. That means the frequency of 2 is 1, the frequency of 3 is 1, the frequency of 5 is 1, and the frequency of 6 is 1. So there is no mode for this sample of data. Next, let us calculate median. We know that when we count the number of values here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we have 4 number of values, which is even. In case of even, to calculate median, we simply take the 2 middle values and divide by 2, yeah? This means the same as 3 plus 5, yeah? 3 plus 5 divided by 2. This means 3 plus 5 divided by 2 means 8 over 2, which means 4, yeah? So the median for this sample of data is 4. We left with range. Range means the difference, yeah? So to calculate range, we focus on the highest and the lowest value. What the highest value from this? 6, yeah? The lowest value is 2. So range is equals to, range is the same as highest value minus lowest value, which means 6 minus 2, which means 4, yeah? This sample of data has 4 mean. This mean is 4. It has no mode, no modal. It is median is 4, and its range is 4. Its range is 4. Therefore, this sample of data has 4 as mean, 4 as median, no mode, and 4 as range. These are all about arithmetic.